Uigĩrĩrĩki wa kũmenyerera marĩa matũrigicĩirie ũrĩ na mũndũ wothe, mũtũri kana mũikari wa thĩ ĩno. Na nĩkĩo ikundi mwanya mwanya cia kũrũmbũiya marĩa matũrigicĩirie ikuruhanĩtie atumia mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩno.
Na kweli, a woman is a nurturer by default. So mama akipewa ile information tu ya kwamba anaweza panda miti na akakuwa tajiri in a near future, wamama wanachukulia serious sana.
Let's all conserve and nurture the environment for the future generations, and let's teach our children and the young ones to know that the future does not just depend on the older generation, but rather on everyone else.
The mothers also plant the trees to show that the environment that they are in as students, the mothers are also concerned.
Mibango ĩno ĩrongoreirie gũkinyĩra ikundi cia atumia matũra-inĩ ona irĩtu a thukuru cia secondary.
Tuko na department ya education, environmental education, na huwa wanatembea kutoka kaunti moja mpaka nyingine wakigusia mambo ya environment, wakihimiza watu wachunge mazingira yao.
We are also very responsive to national policies and law, because currently we are aware in our country we are thinking of conserving the environment.
Na nimetafuta, we are no longer in the business of planting trees. We are in the business of growing trees. Itoshi tu kupanda, lazima tuchunge hadi ime kutokana na mambo ya mazingira ile inasaribu mti.
Oho, makiuria thirikari cia kaunti inyite guoko ikundi cia atumia iria irĩ na tabarĩra cia ũmenyereri wa mĩtĩ ta kũhanda mĩũngũrwa na gũtheria njũĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.